In this aid, we will voice our own and market's viewpoint on Aave future while talking about Aave cost figure for 2022 and then some. Kindly remember that you ought to think about this and some other expectation while considering other factors, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant undertaking, not to mention anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, profoundly unstable monetary resource like Aave. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dive profound into the particle value forecast and answer questions on the off chance that Aave is a wise venture or not, for what reason will Aave succeed or fall flat, or for what reason will Aave value rise or drop, we should rapidly toss a look at what is Aave and its to-date history. What is Aave? Aave started as ETH in 2017 after it brought $16.2 million up in an underlying coin offering, ICO, to make a decentralized distributed loaning stage. Afterward, they rebranded to Aave when they changed to a liquidity pool model. Aave sent off the Aave convention in 2020, an open-source and non-custodial liquidity convention where clients can procure interest on stores and acquire resources. Aave is a decentralized currency market convention where clients can loan and get digital money across 20 unique resources as security. Aave at present offers getting and loaning for 22 unique ERC20 tokens including USDT, USDC, ETH, and Connection. Money lenders can store any of these ERC20 tokens on Aave and procure revenue on those assets. The premium money lenders procure comes from the premium being paid by borrowers who are acquiring that ERC20 token. The convention has a local symbolic Aave, which is likewise an administration token that allows the local area to choose the course of the convention in an aggregate way. The money lenders can acquire revenue by giving liquidity to the market, while borrowers can get by collateralizing their crypto assets to take out credits from the liquidity pools. Aave value expectation. The entire crypto world is on an edge of an undeniable bear market. Bitcoin has drooped half from its untouched high in the midst of the more extensive market drops affected by seething expansion and US took care of rate increments. Financial backers are selling unsafe resources and moving into additional steady business sectors. Crypto is as yet seen as an extremely dangerous play and thus the auction. Our algo still sees some green in 2022, particularly in the second piece of the year. This is reflected in our 2022 expectations. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a nearby base before we can move the other way and alter the course. When Bitcoin gets comfortable with the new cost range, altcoins will begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many times in the separated and later history. Our cost expectation model is negative for the following 90 days with a sprinkle of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We expect whales and other greater players in the market to wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a regular and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and essential evaluation of each task. Basics that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, showcasing endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical potential, and a few other restrictive variables created in our crypto lab. October 1, 2022. Plus 2.96% $79.05. October 2, 2022. Plus 0.61% $77.24. October 3, 2022. Plus 2.35% $78.57. October 4, 2022. Plus 0.25% $76.96. October 5, 2022. Minus 4.43% $73.37. October 6, 2022. Minus 0.58% $76.33. October 7, 2022. Plus 3.46% $79.42. October 8, 2022. Plus 1.47% $77.90. October 9, 2022. Minus 5.35% $72.66. Aave value expectation 2022. Most of specialists concur that this bear market will endure basically for the principal quarter of 2022. Preceding, we see a few adjustment and little pattern inversions. Expectation model brings market opinion into a record and responds in like manner. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of 2022. 2022 October minus 14.79% $65.42. 2022 November minus 28.15% $55.16. 2022 December minus 24.87% $57.68. 2023 January minus 23.15% $59. 2023 February minus 19.45% $61.84. 2023 blemish minus 10.30% $68.87. 2023 April minus 12.17% $67.43. 2023 May minus 4.09% $73.63. 2023 June minus 3.07% $74.41. 2023 July plus 6.00% $81.38. 2023 August plus 10.38% $84.74. 2023 September plus 16.40% $89.36. Aave value expectation 2025. Our expectation model sees Aave coming to $158.15 in 2025. What will Aave be worth in 5 years? The cost of Aave in 5 years could lie around $136.72. Aave value expectation 2030 to 2040. What Aave will be worth in 2030. Our determining model sees Aave coming to $395.37 in 2030. What Aave will be worth in 2040. Our determining model sees Aave coming to $790.75 in 2040. Will Aave supplant/outperform/surpass Bitcoin? No, Aave won't supplant or surpass BTC. Might Aave at any point reach $1,000? Indeed. Aave could reach $1,000 toward the finish of 2025. Is Aave worth purchasing? We are promoters of reasonably unsafe financial planning. Put a majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, half, 35% in a container of large cap coins and the rest in little undertakings with gigantic potential gain. Along these lines, in this specific situation, Aave merits purchasing. Is Aave a wise speculation? Aave is, very much like any remaining cryptographic forms of money, a hazardous speculation. It has higher